Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to change your motor mount, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description for that motor mount over there, that one over there, because the one I'm working on is the one in the middle underneath the car, which should be a torque mount or strut mount or whichever they call it. So this is the mount, this is what it looked like. So it's a torque mount, I should say. And this is your transmission mount, which I already changed. This is your engine mount, which I already changed, and the link for those mount gonna be in the description. So first thing first, we want to go ahead and raise the car up. So let's go ahead and raise the car up. Alright guys, so now we're underneath the car and the mount should be in the back, but as you can see, this is all damaged. Your car probably have this, it probably don't. What I'm gonna do is cover the whole engine from the front to the back, and I'm gonna take it out and I'm not gonna put it back because as you see, it's don't make no sense just gonna jog on the road and make noise or flop in the wind and make noise. So I'm gonna take this off, tell the customer they need this, and let they get it, and when they get it I can put it back on. But for now I'm just gonna leave this off. So what we're gonna do is take this off. It's gonna be 10mm right around it, so you just follow it around and get your 10mm, and yeah, that should do the job. So let's get down to it. Alright guys, so I will leave a link in the description for all the tools used. So far we're going to use this, which gonna be a Makita drill, but I don't think I might leave this in the description, but you can use this and this will do the same job as this. Alright, and this is a ratchet handle, and we need a ratchet handle or a 10mm. So we get the 10mm. This just to show you. Alright, so that's how you use that. So as you see, you have a clip right here that you will need to remove, and one should be on this side, but as you see it's missing already. So just check your car. If you have all these things, if you have this thing in stock, then you need to remove those to get to the mount, which is right here. And guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. So what we're gonna need to do is we probably need to take off this bracket so we can get the mount out. So let's get the mount loosened first and see if we need to take out the bracket. If we don't need to take out the bracket, it's good on us. If we need to take it out, then we have to do it. All right. Alright, so far we need to take this bolt off, and it's gonna be 18mm. So that's 18mm right there. The engine might shift a little bit, but that's okay. So the nut is off, but the bolt is still in, so you can just keep on turning it, and it should just back it out because of the threading in the bolt. So just keep turning it, it should back it out because of the threading in the bolt. So let's go. So back it up some more. And it will come all the way up. Alright, so we get that out. Now we need to get this, and this one looks smaller, so it should be 13 millimeter. Alright, 13 millimeter. And it's not. It's bigger than a 13, so it should be a 15 millimeter. Let me check and see. So it's 15 millimeter. Can just do it like that. Under this. Yeah. Alright, so I'll pull this out. You can see the engine shift a little bit, but that's okay. You can pull this down. And I'm gonna use like a pry tool or a piece of metal to pry the engine forward like this and see if I can get it, because now you see that the engine is moving. So let's see if that works first. And this here is me trying not to take out the bracket for the mount. So you can take this off so you don't lose it, but put it back when you're ready. Because that's what the screw in the bottom holds on to. You want to put it the same way you take it out, so the longer side gonna be to your the left front wheel. So the longer side gonna be to the transmission, and the taller side gonna be to the shorter side gonna be to the engine. All right. Get your mount. Make sure they are the same. So I can see this one is a little crack and the rubber is worn out. So the longer one to the transmission, the shorter one to the engine. pull the engine out. So I want to get the pry bar and pry engine forward. So I'm not cutting it so you can see what I actually go through to do this. Trying my best not to cut it, so forgive me, it's a little long. Alright. For real. Yeah. Alright guys, so as you see, that's how I get it in. I just knocked the metal part of the mount down here. I didn't knock the rubber, so I didn't put any strain on the rubber or anything. I just knocked the part that's stuck. Alright. Alright guys, so just get your screw. Line up the hole. Okay. So once your holes line up, like what I just did, you can go ahead and get your nut, put it back on it. So get your nut, put it back on it, and get it in the hole. So that's one catch already. The next one is to get your 18mm and same treatment. Get your pry bar, pry the engine out so you can catch the levelness of the mount. Alright. So what I'm doing here is trying to align the hole so the engine can, so this can bolt through, which I just did, as you see, and just tap it in a little bit. So you can tap it in or you can screw it in, whichever you choose. That's on you. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and tighten them up to the torque spec. Alright guys, so after you finish, you just want to double check your work, make sure everything is all good, all your bolts are torqued to spec or tightened. So right here you can see where I knock, and the part that was stuck in, it was just this metal piece right here that was stuck in. So I knock it, and that won't damage the mount or affect the mount in any way. Okay, peace out guys, see you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Peace out.